Oh, look what we have here. The Sakura D5S. Let's go. Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out. Today we have got the Sakura D5S rear wheel drive drift kit in front of us. Just going to do a quick unboxing for you guys, show you what's inside this kit. I've had the D3 before, couldn't really get it to drift that well. I've had the D4, again, having trouble finding a setup. It worked well as a four-wheel drive, but everyone moved to rear-wheel drive. Second, we sort of messed with it and took it to rear-wheel drive. It was hard to find that special little setup. But anyway, we've got the Sakura D5S in front of us. Let's just have a look around the box, see what we have got on there. So again, nothing big about the box, guys, because this is literally just the kit. No body shell or anything in here, guys. So as it says on the back there, we've got 3.0 ratio gear transmission. We've got rear-wheel drive, rear motor placed, gear style differential, front IFS absorber, which is front inline front shock absorbers, like so. Instead of them shocks going down to the arms, they're actually inline. What else have we got? We've got free length wide and front and rear, KPI steering, most clearance at front lower arms for maximum steering angle as possible, magnetic body posts, double wiper steering, all fiberglass, wider front bumper, lift up servo places, and it's all fully ball raced as well, guys. Let's get this puppy open and show you what's inside the box. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Right, that's it. Let's go. Let's go. It's a seal. That's a tough seal. Ready. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we got wheels. Wow, wheels straight out of the box. I didn't even know there were wheels in there. Check it out, guys. We got some drift wheels. Nice. That's a little bonus, isn't it? So the bags are numbered and named, which is nice. Here we got bumpers and magnetic body mounts by the look of it. What else have we got in here? Shock assembly kit. So we got all the shocks, the pistons, and the oil, which is nice. 200 oil in bag 6. Bag 4. Ooh, top mount. Very, very nice. Fiberglass. So you can say carbon fibre in a way, because it looks like it in a way. It's dark in colour and it's stronger than plastic and lighter. Bag of bearings. We've got some drive shafts as well in there. Nice. This all looks pretty promising so far, guys. We've got a full diff assembly as well with some 500 weight oil. Geared diff, as it said on the box. Nice big bag here as well. Spur gear. Some more bearings. Looks like the gearbox. And what are those? Oh, that's the tools. That's a set of like pliers and the tools. That's nice. We have got, oh, this is a big bag. The nice body plate, base plate. Oh, it's thin. Not very flexible as well, which is nice. What else we got? Some stickers and the manual. This is the part I wanted to see the most. I wanted to see how confusing is it going to be to build a drift car, because what I am going to do, this is my son's drift car, by the way, guys. I'm going to let my son build it with me watching over. So first things first. That looks pretty nice. That looks pretty nice. Bit of differential building. Arms, lowers and uppers. Easy enough. Tells you what bag the pieces are in as well, which is nice. This is good, guys. Front arms being mounted to the chassis. Steering assembly. Again, bag 3 tells you the millimetre of screws that's got to go in. Measure them against the... These are like Tamiya instructions. These are good. Rear gearbox. I am scared though, guys. I wonder how long this gearbox on the back is going to last, especially as it's open as well. But if them chunky enough gears, you never know. top mount, servos, shock mounts, hubs. This is going to be nice and straightforward. Shock assembly, front shock assembly, and then adding your motor and everything else in there. Fantastic. Even got a parts diagram at the back, parts numbers. Fantastic. Wow. Well, I'm impressed so far. You know what, guys, as well, don't forget this thing is under £100 to buy. You get yourself a drift kit rear wheel drive for under £100. How good can it be? Quick run back through that then as we put it back away. Nicely numbered and labelled bags. The parts look pretty decent in there, to be honest. The plastics as well feel good. Got a slight little bit of flexibility to them. Again, bearings. I want to actually find that gearbox and show you the rear gears, guys. That is your shocks. That's your top mount. There's your magnetic mounts. Front bumpers. Where's the gearbox? Come on. Yeah, nice metal gears in there, guys. Nice, chunky. Is that all the diff, or is it that all the metal gearing for the back? Let's have another look at this. Oh, there they are. Wow, chunky. Hello. Guys, I want to build this. I'm going to leave my son to build it while I'll do a bit of recording in the meantime and everything else. I am impressed so far, guys, and that was just the unboxing. Under £100, rear wheel drive drift car. Look at that. Got some photos saved as well on here to show you what it'll look like sort of when finished. There you go. Nice. Look at that shock assembly on the front. Inline shocks. Oh, my cart's alright. There you go. Wow. Look at that back end. It does look impressive though, doesn't it? Very nice indeed. Looking forward to building this one. Anyway, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, much appreciated. Hit that subscribe button and the bell to be sure to get some, we'll be getting this on the track, we'll be getting some footage of it running, and hopefully we'll be getting a build video on here as well. See you on the next one, guys. Take care.